We'll try again. We'll be next. We'll come in. Go in the shade.
Hello, sorry. Is it alright if I just get your name and the details?
Yep, it's alright. This is probably peas on everything. This is my name's Vanessa.
Last name?
Gary, stop peeing. Good boy. That's better. Oh, 0420-355-887. Morning. Hey everyone. Sorry, Gary's a Tivolier. I'm just getting some. So we're just getting some information filled out so we can get a little mini health check. So mail at MAIL at Gold Coast Girl MAIL Gold Coast Girl. All one word. BIZ. Yep. And is that it?
Is that the email?
Yeah, that's the email. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Suburb?
Mollendina. Yeah.
Pet breed?
It's a Tivolier. Gary's a Tivolier, for those wondering. It's a Tibetan Spaniel mixed with King Charles Cavalier. Hey everyone, we're just registering for a mini health check for him. Your wet nose is mobile vet.
What's his name?
Gary, Garry.
And how old is Gary?
About 3 to 4. Don't know his exact age. Unfortunately, he's a giveaway. All right, he's just peed on something.
His coat's very beautiful.
There we go. Fish. So just say your name and location.
Hello, Gary.
So your name and hey, I'm what's from the X. So then I can say hi to you. So he's going to have a free mini health check. Hopefully he'll pass with flying colours. Except for being super excited. Yes, very waggy tail. I think he just won the waggiest tail comp. Hey Spain, hey what's up? We're just waiting here at the Wet Noses Mobile Vet. As you can see, beautiful day here on the Gold Coast. We'll go around, we'll keep moving about after this. But I'll go inside. See that shed over there? There's a whole heap of stuff inside. I'll go in there shortly. But at the same time, I'm going to pretty much trot around for a little bit longer. Eventually, I'm opposed to love patting on Christmas dogs. Oh, believe me, plenty of dogs here for you to pat. This is the doggy day. If you love dogs, this is the doggy day. I'm doing great. Oops. Oh, someone didn't like that. Oh. So anyway, so what we'll do is we'll get in the mini health check and then we'll go around and I'll show you a bit more of the Gold Coast Pet and Animal Expo. It's a free event hosted by the Gold Coast City Council. So yeah, if you're a local, come down. We're going to try and catch up with Sonia Carroll later too. If you don't know who she is, I don't know what. It's 9:30. It's 9:30 a.m. So technically the event has technically started. So it's 9:30 a.m. Oh, here I. Got the pig, got 2 dogs in the she's big. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, what's your name and location? Gary? Gary's coming in. Oh, Gary, calm down.
This is Gary, isn't it?
Yes, this is Gary. Hey, everyone. Hello. This is Dr. Kira, is that right?
Kyra.
Kyra! This is Dr. Kyra. She's going to do a mini health check on Gary. All right.
Gary, how old is he?
Yep, 3 or 4. He's 3 or 4.
Is
yeah.
he? Oh, okay.
So
How
I've
long
only
have you had it?
only 1 year. 1 year. Yeah, I'm the founder of Gold Coast Lost and Found Pets. I'm the lady who found the brochures the other day.
Oh, there you go. Did you know that, Kyra?
I'm the lady that found the Gold Coast Lost and Found Pets.
Yes, I know. Kyra friended us on and we talked.
Yes.
How are you?
Definitely. So everyone, Gary's getting a free health check. He should be
Look at his teeth. His teeth are beautiful. Show me what beautiful teeth look like.
Oh my goodness.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it should. Just look in your ears. It's just me poking and prodding him. Because I was all like, when I first got him, I went, well, help you guys get better, easier.
Yeah.
Got to touch them all over, getting
Yes,
used to poking around
absolutely.
everywhere. And
So So his body weight's perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
I was actually worried he got a little fat recently.
He got what? A little fat?
Recently.
No. Oh my god, he's perfect. And his coat's beautiful.
I wonder what he's got in him. He's always got he's Tibetan Spaniel with this King Charles Cavalier.
Yeah, well there you go. That's that combo. I can see the Tibetan Spaniel in the legs.
Yeah, the legs. Yeah, I know. And the feet people go King Charles with, of course, everything else. So it's like I know he's still got his balls working
They feel good because that's important as well to check them to make sure they're symmetrical and they've got no lumps or bumps.
Hear that, everyone? Make sure that even though Gary's got his balls still, he won't for much longer. That's my goal. End of this year, he's not going to have them.
No, they're going to be gone. Let's have a little listen. I love the name Gary.
I didn't name him, unfortunately.
But
it suits him. It suits him so much. Probably a little excited, so Gary's passing his health check, everyone, so far, so listen to me. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about.
He looks great.
There you go, we got it. We got 2 thumbs. Woo! Yay! So thank you, Cara.
No worries.
So I'll let you get along. We've got a couple of more waiting for you. All right, everyone, we've got to move out. All right, Gary's just caught on his leash. All right. Oh, gosh. We're just going to get caught in the beginning here. All right. We'll come through.
See you. Bye-bye.
Everyone, so as you can see, Gary came through with flying colours. We've got heaps of other stuff happening. We've got slides, we've got the Shetland pony. I'm going to get on. So who wants me to get on the ponies later? Who wants to get on the ponies later? Oh, I should have asked that. Basically, usually you can get a once every 3 year shot these days. So you don't necessarily have to do them yearly. It depends on the vaccination that you need to get. It depends if you're going to board them or not, and what have you. So.